Hey, I'm Mason at Cape Fear Customs. Today we're going to be talking about the top checklist to keep your fleet running this summer. Your engine works a lot harder in the summer, so it's very important for things like your belts, hoses, and fans are in good working order, and more importantly, your coolant. Here we have our BG coolant service. It's a conditioner and cleaner that cleans the cooling system to make sure everything is flowing properly and cooling your engine to the best of its abilities. Just like keeping your engine cool this summer is important, keeping you cool as well is very important. Checking things like your AC system, your cabin air filters, and also making sure your system is clean for the air you breathe with disinfecting it are very important things for you to do this summer. Just as the seasons change, so does the air pressure in your tires. So it's important to correct and adjust as needed, as well as doing maintenance as tire rotations and alignments to make sure that your fleet's ready to hit the road this summer. Prepare your fleet for the heat. Making sure your engine starts is the #1 thing you need to go anywhere. So having your battery checked as well as a charging system are very important things to do this summer. A breakdown can happen at any time, so it's important that your equipment is ready for the task. Checking things like your jack, lug wrench, and spare tire are very important, as well as things like carrying a first aid kit and also a portable jump pack to start your vehicle in the event that your battery dies. When it's hot, the last thing you want to be doing is fumbling around in the back of your truck trying to find something. So organization is very important. For example, this weather guard rack here for the back of your vehicle keeps everything you need locked and secured and organized. We recommend keeping your tools safe and secure this summer with a truck bed toolbox. This one by Cam Locker here is secured, lockable, and waterproof. Now is a list of the products and service we recommend to keep your fleet happy and healthy this summer. Make sure to subscribe and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We look forward to seeing you.